Baby dolls, welcome back to another video. Today I am showing you guys a really gorgeous unit, and this hair is from RPGSHOW. It is my first time actually trying out this company's hair, but I always heard great things about them. They are the OG of wigs, okay, of lace front wigs, of wigs in general. This is the packaging, which I love. I love the dust bag that it comes in because usually I don't keep my boxes. So we're just gonna dive right into it because that's what I do. So let's get into it. FYI, if you guys are hearing noise, it's construction going on outside. I thought about doing a voiceover because it's really loud, but if I have to do a voiceover, that is the reason why I'm doing one, so you guys know, okay? When you open your package, this is what it looks like. I love packaging like this. It just makes me feel like I am gifted, which I am. So this is the hair right here. Look how gorgeous the color is. Inside I received their magazine. Don't play with them, okay? We love to see it. We love to see black beauty, black culture. We also have the band for the lace. This I actually need. This helps to tame, you know, the flyaways and things like that. So it did end up getting pretty loud, so here I am with the voiceover, you guys. This is something else I received in the box. This is really good for storing your wigs in when you're traveling, so I love that. And of course I received a wig cap. This is the beautiful unit here, y'all. I am in love with this color. It's a brown, like a 24 or 27 color in brown with some nice honey blonde highlights. This is the lace, you guys. The lace is pre-plucked already for you. The knots are bleached. So as you guys can see, look how beautiful that lace is. This is a HD lace. So everything is pretty much done for you. This is the construction of the unit. This is a 13 by 4. You do get 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back. You get your adjustable straps in the back too as well with a little piece of lace. You also too get this band here, which you can slide into the unit. This is what makes the wig a glueless wig. This band is adjustable, so you can adjust it to your liking. I went ahead and slide the band in because I will be using this to install the unit. As you guys can see, I did put on the wig, but you can see the wig cap. So what I end up doing was taking the wig off, and I end up doing the wig cap method so that everything can be melted and there won't be, you know, a wig cap showing. Everything can be basically seamless and melted down. If your wig cap is showing through your lace, that is actually a good sign that your lace is some really good lace, okay? So this lace is invisible knots, so that is good. I did the wig cap method, what I was telling you guys about, and so that, you know, everything can be seamless and just blended really well. The lace does look like it has like a brown tint to it. It's going to melt down like a nice, real good melt down. It's a 13 by 6 room of lace. This is Swiss lace. So with Swiss lace, it looks very realistic and it gives you a nice, smooth, realistic hairline, okay? Now you can't see that wig cap through the lace, okay? So it looks really good. So it looks like I wouldn't even have to put any type of foundation or like tint on the lace. I mean on the lace, because it just melts down really good. This is a glueless wig, so I'm going to try my best not to put any glue. If I do need to put something down, it will probably just be some holding spray because this is a glueless wig. And we're going to successfully get this to be exactly that, what it is. Area is flat and pulled back. I just taken my hot comb just a little bit, cut this extra lace that needs to be cut so that, you know, we can feel our ear. We can feel our ear and we can see our ear because right now it's hiding. cut and it's no glue or nothing. It's laying down pretty good. There's no glue, and as y'all can see, it will definitely look like scalp. They plucked it really well, and it definitely gives a natural, really natural hairline. It's not overly plucked, it's like perfectly plucked. Okay, you guys, get into this lace. Like, really get into it. Like, look how good that lace looks. There's no glue. That's no glue. And it's laid down like that. No glue. Now, the only thing I usually tell people with glueless wigs is that you may need to put a little spray on the end of the, where the ear is, on the end right here. But other than that, around this whole front of your hairline, it's laid. Like, and it's not moving. It's flat, and we love a flat wig, okay? Only shedding, of course, you'll get that's normal is when you cut the lace, and that's the only thing that really I got, but there's no heavy shedding. I was telling you guys, I'm only gonna put spray on the ends right here, and then I'm gonna use my little band and just let it sit down, and just let it sit and lay down for like at least 5 minutes. That's the only thing I need. This is not adhesive glue. This is not even adhesive spray. This is holding spray. So this is the brand I use, Bedhead. This is really good for your glueless wigs. And do what it needs to do. Again, get into it. No lace. I mean, no glue. No lace. Okay, it's all my scalp. It's real. It's my scalp. There's no wig. What lace? Okay. So spray this on here, and I love this color. Like, this brown, it's not like a, it doesn't dry you out, because I literally just had a brown wig and I didn't like the brown. Like, it definitely didn't do anything for my complexion. Certain browns just be really dry and pale looking. Like, you know, I'm a girl that loves jet black hair, but if I'm gonna do a brown, it has to look right, and this brown is really pretty. Like, even the highlights, if y'all can see, like the little highlights that's in there, all of that looks good. All of it.
We ain't trying to, you know, we ain't trying to hear that mess.
Get into it. Like, really get into it. Okay, I'm really obsessed with the lace. Like, I don't know, this tops it. This has been like top best lace. I don't know, it's just something about it. I can't put my finger on it. Like, I've gotten good lace before, but this is some really good lace, and I'm trying to figure out how I want to style this unit. Is such a great wig, and I love the front of the hairline. It's like no baby hairs is needed. I don't know if I told y'all, I'm kind of sick of the baby hair, so it looks so good in the front. I don't know. Okay, you guys, I had to stop for a minute just to show y'all how silky this hair is. Now, look at that. If y'all hear some, like, this is my chair. Sound like some cracking. This is an old chair, and I'm sitting on it, and every time I move it make noise, so just in case y'all are wondering. But look how silky this hair is. Oh my goodness. And like, it's so easy to flat iron. I can only imagine how it will look in curls. I kind of wanted to do this a bone straight look. I'm a curly hair girl, but I just had some brown hair and I curled it, so I wanted to do something bone straight, something different, and it's so pretty. So I'm going to continue with the other side and then give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, you guys, this is my honesty. This is like the top notch hair right here, okay? When I say the quality is a 10 out of 10, and I always say, you know, I always get good hair, but this right here is something different about this quality hair. I don't know what it is, but whatever it is worth it, okay? And I'm not just talking crazy. I'm being so honest. It's so soft. The quality of the lace, it just looks so much more realistic than a lot of lace that I've been getting. I don't know what it is. I don't know what they do, but they really do an amazing job with successfully making the hairline look, you know, super natural. The color is perfectly well done, and I love the fact that I could straighten this hair and it just became even more softer and silkier. The hair came naturally flat on its own. Everything just came so realistic looking. Like I said, top notch, okay? All of the details will be listed down below. Until next time, I'll see baby dolls in my next video.